To enhance the security of your Gmail account, you can add a recovery phone number. This video will guide you through the process. So open your Gmail application on your device, log into your specific account, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Manage your Google account. Now navigate to either the personal info or the security option. Go ahead and click on Security and Sign In. Under this option right here, you'll get the option of security code, two-step verification, passkeys, and security keys. You also get the option to change your password, add a recovery phone number or email. So go ahead and click on Add Recovery Email or phone number, whichever you prefer for the security purpose. You might be asked to enter your Google account password to confirm your identity. Click on Add Recovery Email or Add Recovery Phone Number, and Google may send a verification code to your phone. Enter this code when prompted to confirm your number. And once verified, your recovery phone number will be successfully added to your Google account. This recovery phone number is crucial for regaining access to your account if you forgot your password or encounter a login issue. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.